What if I tell you that you can now understand the mood of the person in front of you? Yes friends, it is because of the application Seeing AI. I have already made another video of Seeing AI where I have shown you how you can identify the product details by watching its QR code with the help of this wonderful application Seeing AI by Microsoft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this application to take your own picture, as well as how you can understand the mood of the person in front of you or yourself by using this wonderful artificial intelligence feature. So to know more, please watch this video till the end. My name is Ratul and you are watching VR Tech Academy. Let's start. I am going to open the application Seeing AI.
Seeing AI.
Now, as
Seeing
you know,
AI.
here are
Short
some
text.
channel available: text channel, product channel, and other channels. So let me find the channel which is
Quick help. Selected. Short text. Document. Channel. Product. Scene. Person. Channel.
person channel. So scene preview is also there, with the help of which you can understand the current scene. So we will show this in our next video. So let's discuss about the person. So I'm
person.
choosing this
Person. Selected.
as I'm going to show myself, so that's why I need to switch to my camera to front. So this option is
Stop
available.
recording. Select scene. Preview. Selected. Currency. Color. Preview. Light. Stop. Zoom. Quick help. Face. Take picture. Face recognition button.
So face recognition.
Switch to front camera.
So switch to
button.
front camera. Let me switch it and let me take it the picture. So while you are taking the picture, it will guide you. It will tell you how many faces are visible to the screen. So it helps you to understand whether your face is visible or not. Let's listen carefully and I will take the picture, and after that let's check the magic.
Take picture button. Switch to one face near left edge, less than a meter away.
So you can easily understand that one face less than meter away. So I'm taking the picture. Now I am trying to smile.
Take picture. Processing. Close. Seeing 32-year-old man with blonde hair looking happy. Seeing AI.
Okay, so this is the description of the image captured by me. So I think I was looking happy, and I think I was like 32 years old, it says. I don't know why it says 32 years, but yeah, you can guess at the age of the man also. Now I'm trying to give a different style.
Characters.
Let's see it will work
Word.
or not.
Paragraphs.
Okay.
32 year. Save photo.
So
Button.
save photo, you can do the save photo, you can save the photo,
Share
or
button.
you can share the photo also.
Stop recording.
Okay, so I'm just
Share.
going back.
Person.
Now let's try again.
One face near top. One face near left edge, less than a meter away. One face near. Take one face near left edge, less than a meter away. Switch to back cam. Take picture button.
Let us take another photo.
Processing. 32-year-old man with black hair looking neutral. Seeing AI.
So now it says looking neutral. So it's really amazing. It's really beautiful. It's really fantastic, you can say.
32-year-old.
So if I
Save
click on
photo
save photo,
button.
let's say.
Deny.
So see.
Allow Seeing AI to access this device's location.
So
Allow only
it
while
asks
using the
to,
app
so
button.
I'm choosing this one.
Seeing AI. Deny. Allow Seeing AI to access photos and media on your device.
So I'm
Allow.
allowing it.
But deny. Allow. Seeing AI. Photo saved successfully.
So the photo is saved successfully.
Stop recording.
So
Share.
I think
Button. Windows seeing
you
AI.
can use this feature and you can identify the person's mood. So it's really beautiful, really amazing. So please try once and don't forget to let us know into the comment section how do you enjoy this video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.